Wairoa Marae in the far north has hosted the opening of a new Ngāti Kuri research centre which aims to develop cultural, environmental and well-being initiatives for the betterment of their iwi. Joining us from Ngātaki in the region of Te Hiku o Teika Maui is our reporter Marina Mane.
Kia ora e te iwi, Ngāti Kuri descendants from far and wide have come together for the opening of their new research centre called Te Arawhanui. Ngāti Kuri are no strangers when it comes to research. Their legacy includes the names of the late Mera Sazi, Meri Penfold and Sana Waitai Murray, one of the claimants of the Wai 262 claim. Formidable women of their time who have supported the pursuit of education and research. Joining me now is Director of the new Research Centre, Te Arawhanui, and Trustee of Ngāti Kuri's Trust Board, Tami Taurua. Tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe, o tira tēnā tātou.
Pātai tuatahi, first question, can you tell us some of the projects that are happening at the Research Centre at the moment?
We have a range of current projects as well as some newly emerging projects. We have three main research themes. One is around matauranga, the other around kainga and the other around taiao. Currently we have a suite of projects within our taiao program that are supported by the likes of Manaki Whenua, which include ngā rākau taketake looking at two endemic and endangered taonga species, kai kōmako manawa tāwhi, as well as pupu whakarongo taua. They're all very vulnerable and critically endangered taonga within our rohe, and so we're exercising our responsibility to safeguard those taonga through research and new research programs. We support a range of other kaupapa as well across the kainga and matauranga spaces, and we work with other partners and leading practitioners on their kaupapa as well. So we lead and we support a range of projects across those three themes.
So what have you got planned today at the wānanga for Ngāti Kuri descendants?
This is our first kaupapa rangahau hui for our whānau. We're a new centre, we're an establishing centre, and we have emerging kaupapa. So this is an opportunity really for our whānau to come together, one, to connect, to kōrero whakapapa, to have place-based wānanga and hui, to socialise some of the existing kaupapa, some of our team who are on the ground here, and to really provide access to research pathways while co-producing and collaborating across a range of voices, including rangatahi to kaumātua. So we're really excited that this is our first hui, and we hope many more to come.
Ka pai, so for those that may have missed out on this wānanga, how can they find out about the next one that the Te Arawhanui may put on?
Well, we have a range of sort of methods, I suppose, across our research programs. Wānanga is one, because that's around our collective responsibility to come together and share matauranga and produce pathways. But so too are other methods, including some of our place-based and on-site mahi. So I suppose the first point of call is to really come virtually and look at the range of kaupapa that we have in front of us through our newly established website. And so that's sort of a virtual hub for our whānau to engage in all the information, not only just wānanga, but opportunities that we're currently hosting within our centre that are attached to a number of our kaupapa, including Te Mana o Rangitahua. We are calling for our whānau who are interested in the research space to come forward to build our research directorate, because we want to provide direct pathways for our whānau into the research space. So online in our new website would be the first point to receive updates.
So last question, Ngāti Kuri have a strong legacy of researchers. What comes to mind when you think of them?
I think about the bold vision that they left for us. I think about the hard work it must have taken in really trying times. I think we're now in trying times in terms of responding to climate and what we think about when we think about climate justice, as well as responding to COVID and hauora, and responding to having economic resilience. And so while the times have changed, we can still rest on the vision and the leadership they provided, because that hasn't changed. We have a new wave of and new generation of people and researchers coming through, and we work to honour the kaupapa that they've left for us.
Ngā mihi nui ki a koe. Thank you, Tami.
Kia ora.
Back to the studio.